The Dreamer by Lucci. Read by Lucci. Success is just a letter until proven. I may be old enough to pursue any degree. I am now 35 years old. I went back to college at the age of 30. Many people say it is too late to go back to school. They discriminated me, they insulted me, they mocked me. But I never stopped. With every insult and discrimination, I build a stone to step on so I can reach my impossible destination. Through hard work, courage, perseverance, and determination, I finally have my Bachelor of Science in Business Administration with a major in Marketing Management. I am not sharing this to brag, but to inspire everyone that poverty and old age are not hindrances to success. I did it. I am a dreamer.